screen. Okay, can you see my screen?
Yeah.
Okay, so Diksha, we already in last two classes, we already covered some topics, and
Okay.
today I'm going to cover these topics:
Okay.
condition constraints, loop, constructor and destructor, abstract class, and interface. And I'll try to
Okay.
cover in today's session collection framework as well.
Okay.
Okay. Okay.
Yeah.
So let's start with the first condition constraints. What is condition constraints? So in C sharp or any programming language, so we have like condition constraints, like in condition constraint, we have like if else. Okay, we have switch case. So this is like very common, like if you want to like make some decision in your business logic, so we can use if else and or the switch condition as well. Switch case is like there are like multiple options and you want to perform one operation based on any parameter. So we'll see how we can like design this if else and switch case. Okay, let me open my Visual Studio. Okay, so so we have like types of if else. So we can say the one type is like simple. We have if and else part. Okay. Second, we have if, else if. Okay. And third, we have nested if. Nested if else. There is one more type that is like simple if. Simple if means to say only we have like if part, we do not have like the else part. So this is like the type we can use for our like custom logic. Okay, so when we are like dealing with the if else, we also use some operators like and operator, or operator, or not operator. Okay, and is like this symbol, or is this symbol, and not is this. Okay.
Okay.
Okay, so like if we talk about operator in I mean in details, so basically we have two type of operator: binary operator and unary operator. Okay, there are two type of operators: binary and unary. Unary operator. Any idea what is binary operator? What is unary operators?
Binary is like 0 and 1, like billion.
Okay, and unary.
And I don't know about the unit. I don't
Okay,
have.
just give me a minute, please.
Hmm.
Okay, sorry, I'm back. Yeah. Okay, we are like on like what is binary operator and unary operator. Binary in term means to say like the binary operators, just we can say there are two operands. Okay, binary means two and unary means single.
Okay.
Okay, that is like easy to remember. Binary means two and
Mm,
unary means to say single. So what is two? Two means to say two operand. Let's say when I am using plus, plus is an operator and this is binary operator, right? So
okay.
this binary operator can needs two operand. One is on right side, second one is on left side. Then this operator will
Okay.
like perform any
Mm,
calculation, right?
yeah.
So binary is
Yeah.
two, unary means single. Single means to say means this operator only needs single operand. Single operand means to say, let's say
Okay.
we have plus plus operator, right?
Mm,
So let's say
the
if I say,
increment one.
yeah, so this comes
Yeah.
under
It.
unary operator. We cannot do like
Mm,
this I plus plus x. This is wrong,
yeah.
right? We cannot provide
Yeah.
two operand to this operator. Okay. Okay,
Yeah.
so in binary operator, we have types of operator. Like one is arithmetical operator,
Mm,
arithmetical and logical. Okay,
mm,
we have okay relational operators. Relational operators. Okay, so these are like some of the like binary operators. So arithmetical operators we have like we can say plus, minus, multiply, divide, okay, and module. Okay, so these are like arithmetical operators. Logical operators are like and or. So this is like logical operator. Comparison, yeah, or relational operators are like greater than, less than, greater than equals, less than equals, not equals. So these are like comparison or relational operator. One operator is there, what is assignment operator. Assignment operator is equals. Equal operator is basically again assignment operator. Like when we are like assigning a
okay.
value to any variable, so we are using this assignment operator. So this is also comes under the binary operator, binary
Okay.
category. Okay. So in unary operator we have like two type of operators, that is two operators, plus plus and minus minus.
Minus minus
Okay, so this is increment operator, this is decrement operator. So we
decrement
can
operator.
use these two operators in two forms: post increment, let's say x plus plus, and pre increment plus plus x. Okay,
Okay.
the same case with like minus xx, x minus minus, or minus minus x. Okay.
Okay.
Okay, there is a one catch between like when we using assignment operator with unary operator. Okay, let's say there is a variable x and we initial value is 100, let's say 100. Okay, and there is a second variable, and initial value is 0. Now I'm saying
Okay.
y equals x plus plus,
Mm.
and I said console dot write line x, console dot write line y. So
Okay.
what will be the output for x and y?
X and Y. Uh,
So this is
X
the
will be.
statement.
Hmm. X will be 100 and Y will be like 101.
Sorry,
X will be. Oh, wait a
one,
second. Oh, X will be 101 and Y also I think will be 101.
one. Okay, okay. So this is the correct, but y is not. Yeah.
Okay.
So y will be 100.
100?
Okay.
Okay.
Yeah. So this
Okay.
is the pre increment and post increment. This is the difference. Okay. And when we
Okay.
like dealing with the assignment operator, so there will
Mm.
be uh, uh, when we assign a value of x into y, but
Mm.
x also having assignment increment operator. So this is a
Uh,
post increment. It means first x value will be moved or
will be
assigned to y,
assigned,
then
then
it
it
will
will
get
be
incremented
incremented.
in x.
Okay.
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 So
Okay.
this
Okay.
is
Yeah.
the difference. Okay, the same
Oh,
condition if I said y equals plus plus x. Now, what will be the output for x and
first
y?
it will increment, then it will assign.
Right, right. So in this
Oh,
case,
yeah.
output will be 101,
1 not
101.
1.
Yeah. So clear?
Yeah. Yeah.
Okay, fine. Okay, so like we are going to start with the condition constraints or if else. So we need to understand the logical operators, logical and comparison or relational operators. Okay, let me say comparison as well, right? In comparison. Okay, so when we are saying and operators, let's say we have a value uh, that is 100. Okay, and in if block, okay, so if is this, this is a syntax for the if. Okay, this is, we can say, the condition part.
Okay.
Condition, this is the body. Okay, if condition is true, then this body part will get
Will be
executed,
execution.
right? If condition is
Yeah.
false, then nothing will get
Then.
executed. Yeah. So this is simple if.
Mm.
Simple if. Only if part is there without else part. Okay.
Okay.
Okay. If we like add else, so else,
Else part will
yeah,
execute.
else will execute when condition is false.
Is false. Yeah.
Okay. If body will execute when condition is true, and else will
This is
execute
true.
when condition is false. Okay.
Okay.
Okay. So this condition can contain comparison or logical operation. So right now we are going to discuss the logical operator. Let's say we have uh, x equals 100. I want to build a logic where I'm saying x greater than equals 500 and x less than equals 1000. Okay.
Mm.
Basically, I create a uh, range for x. Okay.
Mm.
So if x is greater than 500 or equals 500 and x supposed to be less than or equals 1000. So here I am using
And
logical and operator. Okay, so what is and? And means to say this is
both
first part.
should be true, then only it will execute the
Yeah. So
this.
this is first part
Yeah,
and this is the second part,
second.
right? Let's say I inserted x as a thousand, 100. So
Mm,
system will first check first part.
mm,
So in our case, x is less than 500.
and five
So this will be false,
false.
right?
Mm,
So in this scenario, if we are using AND operator, AND means to say both conditions supposed to be true.
yeah.
If any condition is false, then it will be false in total.
Mm,
Okay, if one condition is first, let's say first condition is true and second
mm.
get false, so the overall result is false.
Yes. Oh,
Okay,
yeah.
just 1 second, please.
Mm,
Okay, so in our case, the very first condition is false. Now, will system move to the second part to check our second condition?
yeah.
Okay, no,
But in AND operation, it checks both of them, right? If both are correct or both are wrong, then it executes, right? In OR operation, if like the OR operation, it's like if any of that condition is true,
true,
it will become true, or any become false, then it will like become false. But
correct,
any first condition. So, but in this, it will check both of those. And if both are true, then it will execute. If one of them is false, it will not execute, right? Yeah.
right,
So
yes,
it's right only. It won't go to second thing.
exactly. So basically,
Yeah, yeah, I got.
uh, system will not, when we are using like AND operator, system will not
Mm,
proceed for extra calculation if first
yeah.
condition is
Mm,
false, because one is false means overall is false. It will
all
not move to
is
the
false.
second condition, so it will
Mm,
be like skipped and
yeah.
overall result will be false.
Okay.
Okay, now let's say
Mm,
now x is 600.
mm,
Okay, not 600, I'm saying x is 1001. Okay, so
okay.
in this case system will first check this condition. Now the first condition is true. Now it will
Mm.
move to the second part. It
To
now
second
it is
condition.
false. Okay.
Yeah. Mm,
So overall, again, it is
then
false.
again it is false.
Yeah. So now if we are saying this is now x is 800. So again, first is true. Then it will check the second
I'm
part.
not able to
Second,
like are you writing on the screen because I'm not able to see. I don't know if it got stuck or what.
okay. Okay. Let me reshare it again. Can you see the screen now?
No,
Can you see the screen?
no, it's blank.
Blank. Okay.
Yeah.
Sahil, can you see my screen? Let me reshare it again. Now?
No, I can't.
No.
It's still.
Okay. Okay, give me a second, please. Then. Can you see my screen now, Diksha?
No. Should I again rejoin the meeting?
Okay, can you please try?
Yeah. Yeah. Can you share the screen now?
Hello?
Yeah.
Yeah, can you see my screen now?
No.
No? Oh, 1 second.
No.
What's the problem then? Hi, Sahil, can you see my screen?
Hello, Dakshani. Hello.
Yeah. Fine.
Yeah. Basically, Pavan sir will join in next 2 minutes. Actually, he just restart the router.
Yeah, it's fine.
Yeah. Thank you so much.
All right. Yeah, now I'm able to see.
Okay, okay.
Yeah.
So I think there is some issue with Microsoft, maybe my network. Okay. So can you see the board now?
Yeah, yeah. I'm able
Okay,
to see.
okay. So we are like uh, in discussion with scenario of AND operator. So so let's say now X is 800. So let's say very first condition is saying it's greater than 500. It's true. Then it will move to the second condition. Now it's less than equals 1000. That is again true. So now the both conditions are true. Then overall result is true.
So,
Okay. Okay. So this is the AND operator. Now let's discuss the OR operator. Same scenario. I just change the operator. I said if X greater than equals 500 or X less than equals 1000. Okay. I need to change it because this case will not work for with OR operator. Let's say we have two variables. One is user ID. Okay, this is a user ID and password. Okay, so this is the condition. So basically, I want to check the user ID. When user entered its user ID, I want to first check its length. It's supposed to be greater than 0, and the length supposed to be less than 15 as well. Oh, no, this is again the AND scenario.
It's not.
Yeah, this is again the AND scenario. Uh, we can use for OR operator. Okay, let's say user ID or email. Greater than 0. Okay, so let's say we designed a UI where we are accepting saying enter user ID or email ID. Okay, then say OK button. So user can use their user ID or email ID to get into the website. So this is like OR case. So let's say user insert user ID and length supposed to be greater than 0. Then this condition will be true. If user not insert user ID, then it will check the email ID. Same thing for email as well. Its length supposed to be greater than 0. This is the first condition and this is the second condition, right? So now we are using the OR operator. So let's say user inserted value. Let's say user ID is ABC1. This is a user ID. So this condition get true, right?
Yeah.
User inserted
Yeah.
some data in user ID. Will system check email
No.
length? No. So if first condition is true, it's overall
Then
true.
it's.
Or means to say one of them supposed to be true.
Yeah.
Okay. So if first is true, system will not check the second
Second one.
condition. Okay. And overall result will be true. Okay. In case of or, second condition will check. Let's say user do not enter user ID, it's enter the email. Let's say it's abc@gmail.com. Okay. So
If
in
it
that
is
case,
false, then only it will go and check the second scenario.
right,
If it is true, then it's true.
it will be true. Overall
Yeah.
true. Okay, like let's say user enter both case. He enter user
Mm,
ID as well, then email as well,
mm,
and then hit OK. So will
mm.
system check first and second condition?
No, no, it won't check second condition.
Right. So it will be user will
True
basically get login based on user ID
user
ID
ID.
only, right? Okay. If
Yeah.
let's say both are true in case,
Mm,
but
true.
only first true will be considered for overall true.
Okay.
Okay. If both are false means to say again false.
Yeah.
Okay. So this is like and operator. Oh, sorry, or operator.
Or operate.
Okay. There is one more operator. This is not operator. Not operator
No.
means to say it's a reverse. I want
Mm,
user ID length supposed to be 0, not email ID
email
can
ID.
supposed to be 0. So that is the reverse
Mm,
condition.
okay.
Okay. Okay.
Mm,
So here like we also like use some comparison. These are the comparison operator
yeah.
greater than equals to less than equals to. Okay. Okay. Let's design one code.
Okay.
Okay. So I'll create one scenario for pass and fail first. Let's say I have one integer type of variable that is called marks. Okay. Uh, of any student, let's say that is in percentage, suppose it's 90.
Okay.
Okay.
Mm,
I create one method that is show result.
mm,
I'm saying if marks is
okay.
greater than 90, sorry, greater than 50,
Mm,
so marks is greater than 50, then
mm,
pass. Otherwise, less than 50 is fail. Okay.
yeah.
Well, just create an object of class. Dot show result. Okay. So output is pass.
Mm, oh,
Okay.
mm,
Because the marks we entered that is 90. Okay. Now let's say I want to uh, provide want to provide a grade based on marks.
oh,
Let's say if marks is greater than 90, then grade will be, let's take a correct grade, A grade, B grade, and C grade. Variable char grade. It's A grade. Okay. Now I'm going to use if else scenario. Let's say it's below 90. So condition will be false and else will be get executed. But I want to create one more condition. If it is fail in else part, again I'm going to check check the condition. I'm saying marks, it's greater than equals 70 and less than equals 90. Okay, I'm considering 90 is as a grade A as well.
Yeah.
So I'm saying 89. Okay. So in this case, grade will be B grade. If it is not between the range of 70 and 89, then condition is again false. Again, I'm going to check. Yeah. Mark says greater than equals 50 and marks
69.
less than equals 69.
69.
So grade will be C. Okay, if it is below 50, again, the else part, in that case, we can say the grade is F, that is fail. Okay, let's say calculate result. And I want to create one more method to show result or show grade. Pencil dot right line. Great. So first we will call calculate result. Then p dot show result. So in our case, so mark says 90. So grade is A. Okay. So let me like change the value to between 70 and 89. Let's say it's 75. So now grade is B. Okay. Now it's like, let's say it's 60 or and C grade. Then let's say it's 49. So grade is F. Okay.
Yeah.
Yeah. So basically we just create a ladder. This is also called a ladder if else. So we create a ladder. If first condition is false, then it will move to this else part. And again else will having a if part. It will check some condition. If it is true, then it will execute the body part. Otherwise, it will like move to next else. Okay. So this is like if else if. Okay. Okay. So this is like simple if we can say we are done with the simple if. Then it's if else if as well. Okay. So there is one more concept that is called nested if. Nested if means to say uh, if inside if. Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay, so let's say if it is 90, then you again want to check. So it is like I means you want to again define a range between it is 90 to 95 we can say A plus it's 90 greater than 90 95 A plus plus, right? Like
Mm.
this.
Yeah.
So we can also
Okay.
define grade as well. So that is if condition, nested if. Marks is, let's say, greater than equals 90 and marks less than equals 95. In this case, grade will be A plus.
Plus.
Yeah.
Else it will be a
Okay. So in this scenario, you know, grade we taken as a char. So I'm going to change
mm,
it to
string.
string. Okay. So
Okay.
now it's supposed to be in double quotes everywhere. So here I'm just giving the else part reason because the marks suppose so if it is we are in like in this part inside if
Mm.
then marks supposed to be greater than 90 only. So if first if is fail, it means to say it is greater than 95.
Mm.
Okay.
Okay.
Yeah. So just let's check with if I'd say it is 92%. So grade is A plus. If I'm saying it is 98, it is A plus plus. Okay. So this is nested if concept.
Okay.
Okay. Okay. So there is one more condition constraint that is switch case.
Okay.
Okay. Switch case. Switch case is like we have like options based on some input. The syntax is like something switch. Okay. Then we have case. Case one, then part, case two, and default. Default. Okay. So let's say this is option is X. If the value of X is 1, it means to say we are going to execute case 1.
Yes. Mhm.
If X is 2, value is value value of X is 2, then case 2. If it is like 3, 4, 5, 0, then it will execute the default case. Okay, this is very simple. Or same we can also achieve by ladder if else, if else. Let's say X equals 1, then this
Else.
else if X equals 2, that is double equals this, and else this. Okay,
Okay.
so this represent case 1, this represent case 2, and this represent default, right?
Default. Yeah.
Okay, so the we can achieve the same thing with the if else as well. Then
Mm.
again, why we use switch case instead of if else? The one
Maybe
condition
because
is,
it's easy.
yep, that one is it is easy to understand, and switch is more faster than if else if. Okay. Let's say
Yeah.
let's check the both cases. Let's say x is 2. Let's execute the
Mm.
first if else if. So it will be like
It
the
it will
first
check from
condition.
start.
Yeah,
Yeah.
it will check this condition. It is false. Then it will move to this else part. Then it will again check the second condition. Now it is true. Then it will execute the this part, right?
Yeah.
Let's say x is 10. Again, it
It
will
will check
start
from
from
the start. Yeah.
starting exactly first, then second, all are false, then it will execute the default else part. Okay, it will execute step by step. That's why it's called ladder if else. Okay, in case of ladder, you cannot skip any step. Okay, but in case of switch,
It
right,
will
if
just
x is
jump.
2, it directly execute the case
It
2. It will not check the
first.
case 1. Okay,
Yeah.
okay, in case of switch, in a background, we like it is designed like design on indexes. Like
Okay.
in like when you are like reading any book, the first 2 or 3 pages are like indexes. It tells you like the chapter 1 is on starting on the page number 10. Chapter 5 is going to start from page number let's say 90. Okay, and you want to start with the lesson 5, you will not turning like one by one each page. You directly start with the page number 90, right?
Yeah.
If that index is not available, then it is like time consuming to identify, okay, which the page numbering is not there. Where is lesson 5 in the entire book? So index basically help you to move faster, and like your performance, the performance of is faster than if else. Let's say we have 100 of cases in if, and you want to execute the 95 95th case. It will directly move to the 95th one. It will skip all the first 94 cases. But in case of switch, it will like move one by one. Okay, so this is the basically basic difference. But there is one challenge. Uh, we have only one variable. Basically, this variable decide which case you want to execute. Okay, it can be integer, can be a character, right? Okay, but in if else, we have a condition block. We can design and proper condition using a logical or comparison operator.
Yeah.
Everything cannot be achieved by switch case, but switch case behavior can be achieved by if else.
Yeah.
Okay, but switch
Okay.
is more faster than if else.
Oh.
Okay, let me give you one simple code for switch case. I named method as a switch case only. Okay, one thing I miss, when you are like designing a case, case one, case two, then you're providing there, you're supposed to provide a break statement as well in
It would
case.
continue and break it there.
Yeah. So if you like do not give, we'll check this as well. Basically, if you are not giving the break condition, it will be considered as a compile time error. See,
Mm.
it's saying like the control cannot
Okay.
fall through from one case label to another. Okay, means if we are not giving break condition, maybe system can drive like it will execute case one and then move to case two as well. But
Okay.
this is not allowed. We supposed to provide a break statement. If we don't provide, it will be treated as a syntax error. Default. Yeah. Okay, just I'm giving default case. So it's case one as output because X is one. Okay, so we cannot use any, like and or comparison operator X greater than 0 and less than 3. See, we cannot do this. We cannot treat switch as a if block. Okay, this is not allowed. See X, we are like getting errors here. Okay, if you want to do this, then you can change the scenario. It's like true, false. Okay, let's say it's
Okay.
true. If you want to do, it's false. Okay, then it will be a valid case because now the cases are in uh, true or false. If this entire condition is true, then it will be this part. If it is false, then it will be this part. Okay, this is working like simple if and else.
Okay.
Okay, but switch is basically not designed for this purpose. So when we are designing switch, so maybe we have a multiple cases, not only true and false. So in
Mm.
that case, you need to give like the value without any comparison or logical operator.
Okay.
Okay, clear? If
Yeah.
let's say key it's a 10, then it will execute the default one. Okay. Okay, so this is like the condition constraints.
Okay.
Okay. So the next topic is like loops. So we have type of loop as well. So basically we have three type of loops. One is while, second is do while, and third one is for loop. For each we can say for each, and fourth is for.
Mm.
Okay.
Yeah.
So purpose of loop is like iterate the code. You want like you let's say you have a piece of code, you want to execute this piece of code, let's say 10 times. Then we can use loop, and based on the requirement we can select which loop is the best fit for our condition. It may be a while, maybe a
Okay.
for, or a for each. Okay.
Okay.
So I'll continue this tomorrow from here. Like we'll start with the like
Okay.
loopings, right? How we
Okay.
can design the loop, uh, when you supposed to use a while loop or a do while, what is the best fit to use like for each and or for, right?
Okay.
Yeah. So I'll continue the tomorrow session from here.
Okay. Yeah.
All right. Okay.
Thank you.
Thank you.